Hi guys, I'm Jacob De Assis. I am a third year BS Tech student, and today I'm going to take you into a tour on my airport Diorama. Let's go! So here is my runway. This is the threshold. This is the touchdown zone, starting line of the touchdown zone, and here is the aiming point. Now let's proceed to the markings on the taxiways. So as you can see here, this is the hold short marking, and this is the center line marking of the taxiway. So after the taxiway, here is the markings for the vehicles, and here is the markings for the non-movement area. So on this part, this is the movement area, which is controlled by the air traffic controllers, while on the other side, called the non-movement area of the aircrafts. So this is the center line of the taxiway, and going there is the taxi line, center line, taxi line, and here is the marking for the runway. As you can see here, it is runway 15 and runway 33. And we are on taxiway Alpha. And this is the hold short. Now let's go back here. As you can see here, there are some vehicles in the airport. This is the baggage truck, baggage tow truck, and a bus, and an airline transport service. Now let's proceed on my aircraft, which is the Airbus Beluga. Here is my aircraft, the beautiful aircraft, the Airbus Beluga, which transports different parts of the Airbus aircrafts, particularly the A320 fuselage. Here is the number of the Airbus Beluga, number 1. So this aircraft is made out of paper. All of its part, it's made out of card paper. Now let's proceed here. This is the hangar of the Airbus, in which our Airbus Beluga unloads the A320 fuselage inside the hangar or the Beluga line station. So here is my refueling truck, in which it refuels our aircraft. So as you can see there is a wire connected to the landing gear. They call that bonding wire. On this part, I have a maintenance personnel who is checking the structure of the aircraft. And as you can see there, my tow truck is approaching the front landing gear. So this tow truck will tow the Airbus Beluga towards our Beluga line station. As you can see there also, there is aircraft marshal there who is waiting for the tow truck to tow our aircraft. Now, as you can see here, there is another aircraft maintenance personnel who is fixing and checking something on the landing gear, checking for some leak and the tire pressure. And here is my tow truck again. Here is the aircraft marshal. Here is our Airbus Beluga. Now let's take a look on the Airbus Beluga line station. So the structure is inspired from a real Beluga line station, in which I copied it and made it from a box of carton or a box of pizza and painted it in white, and now it's like a Beluga line station. So now guys, let's take a look on what is inside of this Airbus Beluga. When I open it, you will see the fuselage of the Airbus 320, which is being transported to the Beluga line station, the use of this aircraft. Also, this aircraft can carry the wings and the other parts of this aircraft, the Airbus 320. As you can see also there, the details of the flooring of our Airbus Beluga. And here is our maintenance personnel fixing something on the landing gear. And this is our marshal waiting for the Airbus Beluga to be towed to the inside of the Beluga line station to unload the cargo, which is the Airbus 320 front fuselage. So as I was saying a while ago, here is the hose of the fuel going to the fuel tank from the tanker, and the red wire there is called the bonding wire or the bonding cable. And that's all for my airport diorama. I hope you enjoyed the tour of my airport diorama. Thank you and bye bye.